Hey, this is Ben with measureQuick, and I'm here at the 5th Annual HVACR Training Symposium in Claremont, Florida. And with me today is Mr. Aaron Gregg.
Hey, how are you?
Good, good. And you are here, why? Like, who are you with, and why are you here?
This is my second time coming. I was here last year for the 4th symposium, and I'm here just by myself, and I came because I see the value in the community that we have here, and it's something that I very much wanted to get connected to. Going to a regular trade show just wasn't something that I had any interest in because you're 1 in 1,000, but when you come here, you're 1 in 200 people, and it's much more intimate setting, and I think that just the community itself is a little bit different because just the amount of people that come here, because it's so small, it only attracts like the higher level, I would say, of the industry, and it's been really cool to meet a lot of good people, a lot of good trainers, and.
But you're here as you work for an HVAC company, right?
Yes, I work for my father. He's been running the company for 20 plus years,
Yep.
and I joined on about 4 years ago, and he's been giving me a lot of freedom in where the company's going in the future. And one of the first things that I did was actually bring on measureQuick to the company, was just because I saw the value in it.
Yeah.
I being a new tech myself, there's a lot to learn in a very little time. And I just saw that I wasn't getting it from 100% just from the conventional ways, like what you would think, like reading up online and all that. I saw the videos, I saw what measureQuick was capable of, and I saw right away that this is something that'll just accelerate my learning in a whole new way, and I was just very excited about it. So one of the first years of working in the summer in Michigan was me buying the tool set and just investing in it and taking the time to learn the program. It wasn't something that the company brought on by themselves. It was something that I was doing on my own, and my dad gave me that freedom to be able to look into it a lot more, and I'm very appreciative of that because the way he's been doing it for the past 20 years is obviously a lot different than what measureQuick is doing right now. So he gave me that freedom and allowed me to take a little bit more time on the calls. Yeah. Even though it was just like, okay, why are we looking into every single aspect? And then I think eventually, like, he saw the beauty of it as well.
Well, but it also did pay dividends from going
almost
from
immediately.
Yeah, interesting.
I would say, like, just again, like, just from the educational standpoint of like me learning the trade that much faster and accurate information, training right away, more accurate calls on whether or not I need to charge the system, or is it an airflow issue, or where am I looking? Diagnosis. Yeah. And also just customer, the customers were much happier. Just transparency, yeah. And the customers were happier with my work. I wasn't just coming in and telling them, like, your system's good. I was actually showing them exactly. Yeah, and like the third party verification. Yeah, exactly. And then also, like, people, like, you don't understand superheater and subcooling, but they know what a green arrow looks like. So like you show them that, hey, your arrows are all in the green, then we're good. Like that was something that I was also very excited to be able to show the customer, and like
proof. Yeah,
exactly. And then they see the fancy tools that you're working with and everything, the Bluetooth and all that. They get excited about that.
Yeah,
too.
Like the cool factor.
It's like exactly.
But also, like, but on your dad's side, that's why I'm interested in, like, kind of your perspective, because a lot of techs that they're interested in measureQuick, but there's like this disconnect with being like how does this create business value? Because some of that, like, it kind of makes sense, like the operational of having not operational, but being in the field, the sales, and getting more accurate readings, but then relate that back to the business of, like, is it increasing profits or reducing risk?
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, that's that obviously profits is what we're all here for. Like, we're here to make an honest living, and
and doing it in an ethical way,
right.
and like, kind of enjoying, like, and developing our craft, doing things that we're interested in. But you can't do the things you're interested in. You can't basically follow your passion unless there is a stream of money. Like that's just how it works.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. So and you want to know that you're doing it in the best possible way as well, and the most honest way. It's not just me making the call anymore. Like, you need a charge. It's more the program's doing this for me, and it's holding me a lot. I don't want to say accountable, but it's holding me true to my diagnostics, and I'm not just making an opinion call. It's much more verified, obviously. So it's been really, So from a business standpoint, it keeps us honest. It keeps us, working with a certain standard, and it's a really great tool.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, you know what, Aaron, it's been great chatting with you. I appreciate our conversations, and I wish you guys a lot of luck in all of your business moving forward.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
It sounds like you might even be getting into this whole ACA QI stuff at some point soon.
Sounds like it. Yeah.
All right.
We're gonna have to just keep broadening what we're doing.
We'll follow that journey too.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you very much.